Hey Leah, this is Michaela. Thank you so much for taking my call today. As mentioned, here's just a quick video showcasing how to get more leads from your website, as well as kind of go over your overall online presence and how we can market you to the top of those Google searches and get you guys a lot more customer and leads in the door, okay? So to start, having some background in some digital marketing, I can tell you that Google looks for three specific things when ranking a website along the Google platform. Number one is going to be content. And content is anywhere on your website where actual text shows up. And just from doing my research from some of the other sites that are on page one, I can tell you that to beat some of the competition, I would recommend about 1,500 words of solid text. Some of this broken text with the learn more is fine, but typically 1,500 words of good, solid, quality content is going to be seen by Google. Let's look at an example. So anytime you do a basic Google search, Wikipedia always shows up as the #1 search result. Why is that? It's because it has so much content. So every few weeks, Google does a sweep of the internet, and it finds these sites with good, dense, quality content, and it naturally starts moving them up the rankings, okay? So just looking at your competition, I see that this Meek Family ChemDry is at #1 when I do a Google search for carpet cleaning in Georgetown, Texas. And you can see that they do have some, but not a lot, right? So getting enough content to be seen by Google is naturally going to move you up to outrank them for text. Now, I'm going to show you here too. This is just an overall picture of how you're currently doing on the internet. And as you can see, you guys are getting 0 traffic to your website currently and only ranking for 2 keywords. Now with this, getting ranked for more keywords are where you get more leads. So when you purchase or add content to your website, include those keywords that you want to be found for. Additionally, on every service page that you offer, we usually recommend about 750 words of text with those keywords, again, that you want to rank for. And why is that important? Well, for every keyword you want to rank for, it has to be surrounded by about 250 to 500 words in order for Google to consider it valid. So that's going to really help you guys get on the board, get more leads generated to your business. Again, I want to show you ChemDry's just to show you a comparison. Their numbers here are not great. Like, they're not super stable, and it's something that we can definitely get you guys above if that's something that you're interested in. So whenever you get these two numbers as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible, and around 30, it creates stability on that Google platform, meaning your website won't be easily outranked or moved on the Google ladder. So getting you guys some numbers here is going to help. How do we do that? I will show you right now. So typically, like you saw in the last one, there's supposed to be some numbers here, and you guys currently don't have them. So referring domains are important. A referring domain or a backlink is anywhere that your website shows up on a different website. So let's think Home Advisor or Angie's List, things like that. Getting good quality content on your site and good quality backlinks is going to throw a lot of influence from Google to your website. That's going to cause this DR number to go up. And lastly, to talk about this UR number, the way we influence that is by doing a basic Google search. So let's do carpet cleaning, Georgetown, Texas. And you're going to see this Google map. I don't know if you guys have a Google My Business, but these top 3 businesses always get the most clients, primarily because they're visible, right? So how do we get to the top of this GMB? That's going to be through citations. And a citation is anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number show up on an online directory. So think Yelp and Yellow Pages, okay? I do have the ability to see how many your current competition has to know how many you would need to beat them. And by beating them by a significant amount is going to keep you locked in at this top position. When you get a lot more influence and citations, this UR number goes up. So again, getting both your UR and DR to increase over your competition is going to automatically put you in that #1 seed on the Google search, okay? So again, just to recap, I recommend about 1,500 words on your homepage with good quality content and about 750 words per additional page. Again, with keywords that you want to rank for, and I can give you a good list of different keywords in that area if that's something you're interested in, as well as getting good referring domains and backlinks, getting your website getting a lot of influence to your website is going to be helpful in getting you seen by Google, as well as getting some citations, moving you up this GMB, and securing a top position. So with those 3 things, you're going to beat the current competition out there and secure a top spot on Google, giving your site stability, meaning it's not going to be able to move as easily when other people try to outrank you. You're going to have a lot more stability and get a lot more clients and leads. Well, Leah, thank you so much for your time. I hope this was valid information. If you have any questions, please let me know. If it's not too much to ask, can you please give me a quick email letting me know what you thought of this video? And I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.